I'm Ray Millette. I'm the owner of Enfield Auto Restoration. We've been in business since 1972. Over the years, we've done a variety of restoration work on antique and collectible cars. From brass era cars right through the 80s, we'll work on any car, foreign or domestic, that's ever been built. What separates us out, we have a broad range of things that we're able to do here. Pretty much anything that a customer desires. We do metal fabrication work, body work, and we have the ability to reproduce fenders, bodies, hoods, just about anything that's needed for an antique car. We offer a complete PPG paint shop, both single stage urethanes along with base coat, clear coat. We do mechanical maintenance on older cars as well as complete engine rebuilds, mechanical updates. They're looking for a more roadworthy car, perhaps a safer car as well. We offer partial restorations. They could tie the car up for bad weather months here in New England, have their car worked on, and they could have it ready for the springtime. We have the ability to replace or fabricate new wiring harnesses in any antique car or truck. One of our fellows here, he does all our woodwork. We're a very flexible shop. We cater to the customer as to what their needs are. We've worked on a variety of cars throughout the years. Nash Falcons, Porsche, Duesenberg. We've done anything from a 1966 Ford pickup to a 1922 American LaFrance fire truck. A lot of cars that customers have started in their backyard. They still really want the car, well, they want to drive it, but now they're older and the time or the energy or the body isn't there to actually do the work themselves. We usually have at least one car in here that's a family heirloom. The car may have been restored back in the 60s or 70s and now needs updating. We've restored cars for both Amelia Island and Pebble Beach, and we usually come home with an award. We think of ourselves as a very honest and a very transparent shop. We keep the customer informed as to what's been done. Customers can come in at any time, talk to the guys that are working on your car, or talk with me. When you're doing restoration work, it's a totally different mindset. A much different kind of relationship is built with the customer. Our technicians are all very, very dedicated. They're real world craftsmen. We all take pride in what we do, and we all work together for a common goal.